When it comes to luxury watches, there are two brands that excel, Rolex and Omega. Time and time again, both Swiss luxury watch companies have proven that they're a force to be reckoned with when it comes to high-end timepieces. Today, we're going to pit two luxury watches from Rolex and Omega in a head-to-head. We're going to do a brief comparison of the Rolex Explorer and Omega Aqua Terra. This comparison is particularly meaningful from our company's perspective, as these two brands are a couple of our most popular brands. Although from a price perspective, the comparison here seems unfair, considering the almost $3,500 price difference, nevertheless, we are going forward with this comparison because from our over 25 plus years of experience in the watch industry, it is these two brands that are often the core of higher end watch customers' debate. If you ever find yourself in a watch forum on the web, you can find a highly passionate debate over which brand is more dominant. Let's start with the Rolex Explorer. From a value perspective, there is no brand in the world that can hold the value like a Rolex. If you keep this watch in good quality, I can assure you that the value here will be conserved at the very least and potentially could increase. Another defining quality of the Rolex Explorer is the quality of the oyster steel material used in the case of the watch. Specially developed by the brand, oyster steel belongs to the 904L steel family, alloys most commonly used in high technology and in the aerospace and chemical industries. Oyster steel is extremely resistant, offers an exceptional finish once polished, and maintains its beauty even in the harshest environments. The hefty price in this piece is also getting you the most reliable movement on the market in the caliber 3132. This movement is a self-winding mechanical movement entirely developed and manufactured by Rolex. From a visual perspective, this piece comes in a tad below average in terms of dial size at 39 millimeters, and the black face of the watch depicts the model's characteristic numerals at 3, 6, and 9. Like all Rolex timepieces, the Explorer's dial is designed and manufactured in-house, largely by hand to ensure perfection. The iconic look of the crown will turn necks when walking in a room. When wearing the Explorer on wrist, it imparts a fresh enthusiasm to the sober, clean lines that have long established it as an icon. In comparison, we have Omega Aqua Terra automatic silver dial, featuring a white face, silver dial, and alligator leather band. The dramatic and easily recognizable dial design of the Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra 150 meter collection recalls the wooden decks of luxury sailboat, as you can see in the teak pattern on the white dial. The size of this piece is a little larger at 41.5 millimeters and is busier on the face with a date display at 6 o'clock and a day of the week display at the 12 o'clock position. Additionally, unlike Rolex, Omega chooses to beautifully display the caseback by proudly featuring the Omega coaxial caliber 8602. Other features worth mentioning that may be appealing is the power reserve and water resistance ability, where the Aqua Terra outperforms the Rolex Explorer. The power reserve on this Omega Seamaster Aqua Terra outperforms the Explorer, boasting a 55-hour power reserve compared to the Rolex's 48 hours. Additionally, considering the Aqua Terra's diver identity, it has a 150-meter water resistance compared to the Explorer's 100-meter resistance. The movement that powers this watch is an incredibly accurate chronometer status caliber Omega 8602 that is a self-winding movement with silicone balanced spring that has an automatic winding in both directions. All this said, from a horological watch quality perspective, the Omega is, in my opinion, closer to the Rolex Explorer than the $3,500 price difference portrays. Meaning, considering the current price of $3,995 on the Omega Aqua Terra, this watch is truly undervalued and is a fantastic buy that is sure to satisfy your timekeeping needs from a visual and qualitative point of view. When buying the Rolex Explorer, you are buying into a world-class brand that is recognizable to almost anyone on this planet. The heftier price is justified by the iconic look that cannot really be measured with a number, as well as the resale value that will stick with the watch for years to come. With either of these pieces, you are getting some of the highest quality timepieces on the market at a great price. The question is more accurately described on the premise of beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Thank you for watching this video, and please tell us in the comments what you would like us to discuss next. To browse our selection of over 40,000 watches and other luxury goods at discounted prices, please visit Jomashop.com.